Hey everyone, Mubaid here, your host of Online Millionaire Summit. So first of all, thank you so much for being a part of Online Millionaire Summit 2020. So we worked on Online Millionaire Summit for 2 months. So it took us almost 2 months to execute the entire event, and we generated a revenue of around 78 lakhs, all from Online Millionaire Summit. So now that the event is over, I thought let's just show everything. Let's show you how we did this event, how we executed everything, how we ran the event, what was the numbers, what was the revenue, what was the profit. And I thought it would be a really interesting, and it will be a really interesting case study as well as a learning opportunity for those who are interested in online businesses and virtual summits. So I'll be revealing everything. I thought for the next 2 to 3 days, I'll show you how we did OMS 2020, how we generated 78 lakhs in revenue in just 54 days from idea to execution. And I'll be revealing everything. So I hope you love this. This will be a 3 to 4 part case study. So for next 3 to 4 days, every day you'll receive a short video from me, just 5 to 10 minutes, where I'll explain how we did the event, what was the upsell, how we did the webinar, how we generated money, how we generated revenue, the ticket revenue, as well as the amount from the webinar. So everything will be disclosed. So if you think this is a good idea, if you want to receive videos from me for next 3 to 4 days where I'll show everything very transparent, then just send me an email, just reply back to the email and let me know you're interested, so that it gives me more motivation to create these videos for you. So to dive in, I'll show you the screenshots here. So here's our Instamojo account, and as you can see, through Online Millionaire Summit we have generated 61 lakhs. So let me select the time frame also for reference so that you understand. So we started working from 15th of March. So 15th of March till now, as you can see, 6021 people joined Online Millionaire Summit 2020, and the revenue we generated from the ticket price alone is 61 lakhs 38,800. Okay, 61 lakhs. Then we did a webinar. Okay, and let me just open up. So in that webinar, at the end of the event, we did a webinar where we invited people, and almost 1000 people joined. And in that webinar we pitched a course that was priced at 9500 rupees, and as you can see, 168 people joined that course, and that generated a revenue of 15 lakh 76,000. So the total revenue we generated from this event in last 54 days is 78 lakhs. So this is really interesting and really crazy. I'm not sharing this to brag about how much revenue you generated. This video is just to give you an idea and overview that what is possible in the space of online marketing, and why the strategy which we have developed and which we are doing is doing so amazing. So this will be a great case study, a great learning experience. So here's what we did. So I'll just give you a brief overview. Of course we'll be covering everything in detail in coming videos, but just to give you an idea, what we did was we started with a summit. Okay, so Online Millionaire Summit was the event, and we ran Facebook ads to this summit. Okay, so if you have seen my webinar, I always talk about create the offer first, sell the offer first before creating the product. So I never create the product before selling the offer first, and that has a lot of benefits. If you haven't watched the webinar, please go ahead and watch the webinar. That will give you a lot of idea. So we first created an offer, and that offer was the summit, right? We invited a lot of speakers, and we ran Facebook ads to that offer. People started buying, and when we got the idea validated, then only we worked on building the product. So here in this case the product is the summit. So first we created a landing page, a sales video, we ran Facebook ads here. Sorry, I don't have my iPad and my mouse here, so I'm just drawing with my hand, but I hope you understand. Okay, so we ran Facebook ads to the summit. The price of the summit was 997 rupees. Okay, uh, so as you saw here, 6,000 people bought, and the revenue generated is around 61 lakhs. So that's pretty good. Then what we did was we invited people for a webinar. So at the end of the summit, on the after the last day of the summit, we hosted a webinar and we invited all the attendees of the event to join that webinar, and that was an educational kind of a webinar. So then we invited them to this webinar, and in that webinar we pitched a course. Okay, we pitched a course, and the name of the course is Winning Course Blueprint. So this is the course we pitched, and sorry, the price of that course is 9,500 rupees. This was the entire strategy. First, we ran Facebook ads to a summit. The price of the summit was 997. Then the summit ran for 5 days. Then we invited all the attendees to join on the webinar that was hosted on the last date. And on the webinar, we pitched a course, our own course, which was priced at 9,500 rupees. Now, again, this course is not created yet. I just created an offer of something which I thought a lot of people might want to learn from me. So I created an offer for people who want to learn how to create and launch their online course and sell it on autopilot. So that was the whole pitch. And so as you can see, when we ran the ticketing thing, just a second. So 997 into almost 6,000 people bought, and that gives us a revenue of close to 61 lakhs. Here again, we pitched the course of 9,500 rupees, and almost 165 people bought on the webinar. And from the webinar itself, we generated around 15 lakhs something. If I have to say the exact number, 15 lakhs 76,000. Okay. So from one webinar we generated around 15 lakhs of rupees, and from ticketing we generated 61 lakhs. So the total revenue generated is close to 78 lakhs. All this happened in just 54 days. That's it. So after the webinar, again we did a follow-up kind of a thing for the people who do not bought. Okay, so I'm just giving you a overview here. I'm not going into the exact strategy and all. This is just an overview, and using this simple system we generated 78 lakhs. So what I'm going to do is, in the next 3 to 4 days, here's the agenda which I have decided. I decided that I will reveal everything, like how we structured the summit, why the summit, what kind of Facebook ads we ran. I'll show you the exact copies of ads as well. What was the cost of Facebook ads, what was the profit. Then the second important point here is how we invited people on the webinar. So out of 6,000 people, almost 1,000 people registered for that webinar. Sorry, 2,000 people registered, 1,000 showed up. How we invited, what were the exact emails we wrote, what was the messenger strategy, what was the SMS strategy. Then I will show you also how I did the webinar, what was my strategy about the webinar, how I pitched the course, and everything. So for the next 3 to 4 days, here is the plan. Okay, so on day one, I'm just looking at my notes here. Okay, so on day one, that is tomorrow, we'll be covering why virtual summit, why did we decide to go with virtual summit, how did we run the Facebook ads, the exact copies of the ads, the exact images we used, what was the revenue, what was the profit, everything will be shown. I will also show you the 2019 numbers, how the virtual summits of last year performed. So everything will be shown in tomorrow's video. Now next day I thought I will cover how we invited people for the webinar. So webinar invitation, what were the emails we wrote? Okay, the exact emails we wrote, I will show you those emails. How we did the messenger blast to get people on the webinar, I will show you that also, and I will also show you the webinar strategy which I followed, uh, and that webinar resulted in close to 15-16% conversion. That is really good. So I'll show you that. On day 3, I'm thinking I'll cover how to present an offer in the webinar. Okay, because the exact offer we generated 15 lakhs in a single webinar. If you can generate 15 lakhs of revenue, this is like a superpower, isn't it? So I'll show you how I structured the offer, how I pitched the offer, and what I did after the webinar was over, right? So the follow-up emails, how we followed up with the people, how we got around 5 lakhs of revenue after the webinar. So I'll show you that also. And on day 4, I'm thinking on day 4 we will do a live Q&A session. So in the last 3 days we'll be covering everything about how we ran the virtual summit, how we invited people to the webinar, how we ran the webinar, how we did the follow-ups. And on day 4, if you have any questions about all these things, you can come live, ask me those questions, and I'll show you my exact strategy on how we did everything. Okay, so sounds interesting. So this is what I thought. I don't know how many people will be interested in learning about it. Usually marketers, online marketers, digital marketers, they don't show their numbers, they don't show the revenue, the profit, and their strategy, how they are doing it. But I thought this could be a really cool and interesting thing to learn for people who are curious about online marketing or curious about making money online. So if you think this is a good idea and if you want me to go ahead, please let me know. You can email me and let me know if you are excited about this thing. Also one more important thing, if you loved Online Millionaire Summit, let me know in the email. What did you love? How was your experience? Also, which session did you enjoy the most? Who were your favorite speakers? Because we have put in a lot of effort in doing this summit, and the speakers, especially speakers, have also put in a lot of effort to create content for you. So if you can send us some feedback, some testimonials, which sessions you enjoyed, why you enjoyed those sessions, then it will give a lot of motivation to us as well as the speakers, and so I can forward those testimonials to the speakers as well. So yeah, this is the plan. I hope you want to learn this. If yes, just let me know in the comments or in the email, and I'll see you tomorrow. So if a lot of people are interested, we'll go ahead with this case study, otherwise we'll not. And if you are interested, so tomorrow at 4 p.m. I'll be sharing the first video of day 1 on how we did the virtual summit and everything. All right, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay awesome.